The 2026 Citroën DS21 Coupe is here, and it's a masterpiece that blends classic French elegance with cutting-edge technology. With its sleek, sculpted silhouette, aerodynamic curves, and signature floating roof, this car is a true work of art on wheels. The DS21 Coupe takes inspiration from its legendary predecessor while embracing a bold, modern aesthetic. From the striking LED matrix headlights to the flush door handles and the dynamic alloy wheels, every inch of this car screams sophistication and innovation. The attention to detail is breathtaking, and with a range of vibrant color options and custom trims, it offers a level of personalization that makes it feel truly unique. Under the hood, the 2026 DS21 Coupe packs a refined yet powerful punch. It comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain, delivering a seamless blend of power and efficiency. With an impressive 300 horsepower and an advanced all-wheel drive system, this coupe is as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. The acceleration is buttery smooth, and thanks to Citroën's innovative active hydraulic suspension, the ride quality is nothing short of sublime. Every bump, every turn, every high-speed maneuver feels effortless, making long journeys feel like a first-class experience. The precise steering and adaptive dampers give it razor-sharp handling, ensuring that every drive is both comfortable and exhilarating. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a car interior. Soft touch materials, premium leather seats, with built-in massage functions, ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, every element is designed for pure comfort. The state-of-the-art infotainment system features a massive OLED touchscreen, AI-powered voice controls, and an immersive 3D sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. The DS21 Coupe also boasts next-gen autonomous driving capabilities, an augmented reality heads-up display, and a suite of smart safety features that make every drive as secure as it is stylish. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a revolution, a driving experience like no other.